This video will teach you the Irish words for the common colors. The Irish word for color is da. The Irish word for colors is Dahanna. Here are the colors of the rainbow. Jarach, Orashta, Bui, Glass, Gorum, Plorine, Corker Gorum. Here are some other common colors. Du, Bon, Don, Bon Jarach, Caon, Corcra, Turkid. Here are the traffic light colors. Jarach, Omra, Owinyet. I hope you found this video useful. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.